Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to add currency sign in Microsoft Excel. I have a sample table with column name, item price at the end. Notice, on some cell, currency sign dollar is missing. Let's fix this. Select the required column. On right-click, choose Format Cells. Make sure Number tab is selected. Under Category, choose Currency. Choose Decimal Places too. Choose Symbol $. Click OK. Notice all values contain currency sign at the beginning and 2 decimal places. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials.